Hey, what's up, good people? It's Goldie here with 4 Brown Queens, and I wanted to talk to you about our 2024 course offerings. We've got a lot to offer for all different needs. Lining up the list first is our virtual on-demand self-retightening class, which allows you 5 days of access to come on and learn the interlock method, and we teach you how to manage the retightenings for your branded locks and your regular micro locks. We'll teach you how to get a nice, neat finish every time. The next class we have is our virtual on-demand foundational interlock class. This is a beginner's course that will teach you the interlock method from start to finish. We will teach you how to complete an install as well as how to maintain locks with proper retightening techniques. This is a beginner's course, but we give it to you down and dirty, and it's ideal for people who maybe have multiple family members who have locks that need to be maintained, but it's becoming too costly to go to the professionals. So if you don't want to be tied to certifications and going through all of that, but you still want to know how to properly manage someone's hair, you can take the foundational, the fit training, and you'll be good to go with the training. We cover a lot in that class. The next more intensive class we have is the in-person Lock Academy class, which is our certification course. It is a business course. It's a 2-day class that we conduct in Fredericksburg, Virginia. After that 2 days of class, you then have a 2-week certification window in which you will basically complete a practicum for certification. And then upon certification, you will also have access to an advanced training module that will work with you on more how to do repairs and advanced work, things that we cover in the class, but you may need a little more practice after the training. So all of that comes with the in-person class. And then lastly, we have something for the softly seasoned to well-seasoned veteran locticians who have had some type of formal lock training but maybe feel like they need some help dealing with some of the issues that are coming in their chair, like learning how to attach broken locks, learning how to do major repairs on locks the proper way, customer interface. It's a lock coaching and mentoring class. This is an on-demand virtual course, and you will have 14 days to access this. So the bottom line is 4 Brown Queens has training to meet a variety of needs. So check us out. That we also have payment plan options available. We have Shop Pay that's currently available, but you also will see probably in another week or so we'll have Afterpay set up. With Shop Pay, I believe you can stretch your payments out to even 12 months. So if you've really been watching us and been wanting to take the class, but money's just been a little funny, but you really want to get started with this new year, I encourage you to look into the payment plans because they seem to be pretty reasonable. And you don't want an opportunity to pass you by. We're training, we're here, we're ready when you are. So hope to see you in the class soon.